Hey, what's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Chef Quail, and today, Chef Quail got a party, y'all. You already know what it is. Chef Quail got a party. It's prepared. We got the loads. Oh, let me get the loads. It wouldn't be right if I didn't wear the loads, y'all, huh? You can't show too much. I'm gonna show where the crib at. Let me see. Why don't you do it? Yeah, so, alright y'all, this is what we're doing. I gotta go. And then we're gonna be able to make sure we got everything for the party. Then we're gonna start packing for the party. And then we just don't go, y'all. I got a fresh cut, so we back. Vlog and everything, y'all. Alright y'all, I already started the vlog, but I low-key want this to be my first vlog, you know? I ain't gonna crap, because it's like a hibachi page. It's a cooking page, you know what I'm saying? So I low-key want like a hibachi party or something just to be like my first vlog, y'all. So I might make this my first vlog, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. I want y'all to come along with me. See the day, see how I go. Let's get the road, y'all. We on the road heading to the party, y'all. We got the shit in the back. We packed up. We going. Look in the back. Look. We back there. I arrest somebody's ass right now. Shut up back there. Shut your ass up, boy. Yeah. How they did me. Yeah, we slide though, we swerve, y'all. So yeah, we're supposed to be there at 5 o'clock, y'all. What time is it?
No, the party starts at 6.
The party starts at 6, y'all.
Yeah,
It's
so
4:56. We pulling up. We on that. We like 2 minutes away. All right, y'all. So here we is. We outside, y'all. We here, y'all. We getting ready. We setting it up. Getting ready, we're setting up how it look good for us. Oh, I forgot the table. Feel me? Let me show you how it really is. They got the red carpet out for your boy. Yes, sir. They got the... Yes, sir. So, we back here putting it together. My nigga Elp.
Chef Mott in the house.
Chef Mott in the house. We got Chef Shay getting it in. We'll grab the table real fast. I gotta grab the table, y'all. I forgot to tell y'all that. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get as much content as I can get for y'all. Cause you know I'm be cooking like so. It's not much I could do, but I'm gonna get y'all right, alright? I ain't gonna leave y'all out. I'm gonna keep y'all like included so y'all know the deal. It's not even windy, it's fake windy right now. Alright, so we gotta get the jug. Y'all gonna see me do some crazy shit. Y'all gonna be like, dang, bruh, why is this not viral? I got a good team put together. My team. We do that. We doing it for the streets, feeding the community. We feeding the streets. Finna get it in, y'all. Finna get the grill going. Get the grill going. With this table? Hey, what's the deal, y'all? It's your boy Chef Quail. We are outside live. You heard? We're outside, you guys. We're officialed up. I got the Chef Quail belt. I got the apron on. You know what the deal is when I got that. Oh, I got the hottest chef hat on too, y'all. Stop playing. We got El Mutt right here, y'all. He's on the vlog. Hey, look at that, man. Hold up. So you know we out here, we global now. Dressed up, looking sharp. Everybody looking sharp, y'all. Yeah, birthday girl right there. Y'all looking sharp, The party people are here, y'all. We finna get crazy in this thing, y'all, okay? It's your boy Chef Quail, y'all, all right? We outside.
Hey, man, hottest chef in the world, man.
Shut the fuck, who, you or me?
Me.
Damn, fool, that's crazy. That's crazy, bruh. But yeah, it's your boy Professional Chef Quail outside with my team, y'all. Like I was saying earlier, y'all, I put together a good team, y'all.
Shut up.
Good, we support each other, you heard?
You put the team together, or it just played out this way? This
We
is
the
your
Avengers. So how y'all doing? Let's give it up for the birthday girl, y'all. Bruh. Bruh. What's the deal, y'all? It's your boy Chef Quail. We are back. Man, I had a party yesterday, y'all. It was live. It was lit. I wasn't able to get too much content for you guys, but I was able to catch a lot of the vibes. I just kept a lot of the vibes. The energy was cool. I had to do a lot of show just to bring the vibe out, you know, because sometimes a lot of people never been in hibachi, you know, they don't know what to expect. So, you know, I had to bring that vibe, you feel me? So it went really well. The squad showed up, squad handled what they had to handle. We other than that, it went pretty cool though, like, you know. It went really good. Like, I ended up getting a lot of people hit me up. They want to do parties, y'all. So y'all want to get on this calendar right here, y'all, right? You want to get on that calendar right there. Have your summer go up, y'all, right? You guys like the video, share the video, subscribe up, hit that noti bell, y'all. All right, y'all. I had to charge y'all back up. You said what?
If my butt was like more round right here, these bitches would be able to fuck with me.
Shut the fuck up. Shut up, bruh. Y'all see this type of shit I go through on a daily, yo. All right, y'all. We out here in the world, y'all. It's hot. We're in California. California. And it's blazing hot, y'all. We finna go to the beach, y'all. We finna go to Long Beach. We from Long Beach. Hey, you from Long Beach?
Born and raised.
Grew up. Hey, that song go, find me in the beach.
There you go. I mean, I forgot about that song.
All right, y'all. Yeah, you see this is a nice little beach right here by the cribs, y'all. I'm trying to move into that right there, y'all. Look, you see? Look at that. We're right here by another body of water, y'all. This is just a Long Beach, boy. You know, you got they fuck with you more than they fuck with me, in a way. Who y'all fuck with? Y'all team Chef Shella? Or y'all team Chef Quail, bro? Alright, y'all. I keep saying that, huh?
Exactly.
I'm gonna try to cut some of that out, y'all, right? So it don't seem like so many. Oh yeah, if you ever in Long Beach, y'all, they got these little bars down here. Panama Joe's go crazy, y'all. It's pretty cool. You can get some vibes going down here, y'all. This 2nd Street right here, y'all. Boom. 2nd Street.
It's like a street where there's different bars and restaurants and stores and...
Yeah, y'all. It's pretty cool, y'all. Long Beach is like its own little thing. Boutiques, y'all. Everybody be down here. They got the banks and all that. It's pretty chill down here. They got a lot of like restaurants and all that good stuff for the people, huh?
That one was Panama Joe's. We've all had our nights at Panama Joe's.
Faded down, huh? What the fuck you was doing at Panama Joe's?
Having fun.
It's right there, right here.
Oh, I thought it was right here, best friend. I think. This one. I'm gonna go to the little alley part. Was it open?
Oh yeah, you know your way around here, huh?
Was it open? Because
yeah,
remember the Rite Aid was closing?
I heard that as well.